To change the mouse and trackpad, pointer size, and color on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, scroll down, then tap on Mouse and Trackpad. Now go down and tap on pointer size and color. Next, drag on the pointer size slider bar to the left to make the pointer size smaller, or you can make it larger by dragging on the slider bar to the right hand side. So here is the mouse cursor. So I can make it smaller or larger. Okay, so change the size as required. To change the pointer color, you can go down here and select the predefined pointer color. So we got from the color ranging from black to white to green, yellow, pinkish red, purple, and light purple. So select a color that you would like to use and then tap on the back key. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.